What's going on, YouTube? As you see, there's another Zippo in front of you. Now you might hear a little chirping or something behind you. That is Charlie. Here, bud. Here he is. He's out tonight. Just hanging out with me a little bit. Aren't you, buddy? So, I have a Zippo here. I don't know if I've already actually made a video on this. I don't think I have. I posted pictures on Instagram if you've already checked those out. So let's get right into this. First of all, as you may have noticed, it has a name on the name tag here. So I get to focus. Let's try this. Just hit it like so. You guys can kind of see that right there. Oh, blurred out. Julia, Julia. I might as well just leave it like that. The bottom stamp is don't forget that should be in 1080p. Is G. It looks like a C of XI, which is, I believe, 1995. Actually, I got my phone right here. Alright. Uh-oh, email. YouTube. Victor. Guardo has subscribed onto you on YouTube. So, thank you, Victor. Let's see. I try to keep my videos very nice, calm back, relaxed. Later. I actually had a glitch on my iPod to where I had 2 Zippo apps on my phone. I'm actually looking through the I guess Jeff will call it the viewfinder. I call it the screen. I got a screen on mine. Charlie, quit! Knock it off. No. Right. And there he is. Again. Okay. I said XI. And XI is 1995. It's made in G of 1995. The flint was stuck in this one, but I beat it a couple times on my drill box or drill bit set box, and it popped out. So now it's able to be used. I did pull the wick up when I got it, not thinking about the video. So I will eventually do a how to fill a Zippo, how to pull. Well, you just pull the wick up and trim it, but how to put a wick in, as well as how to change your flint. I will eventually do all that. So this one, if you guys can kind of see, try to get it where the rotating case is not affecting it. It is a little bit off-centered, and it looks like right about here. Somebody decided they got a little melted right there. That's what it looks like. Come down, got a little hot. It is gold with the nameplate. I don't remember what they call this on Zippo's website. I will probably put it somewhere down, not in the description, but down on the bottom here. I was just looking up Zippo Windy Girl lighters because I just seen a couple people's collection and they had all the Windy Girls on there. So I'm gonna go Zippo as I do this. Themes. what do they call that? Measure colors. Other options. Oh, here we go. Case collectible, customizable. That's what you want. Only one page. Okay. Well, looks like I'm not gonna find that. Oh, and here's the page. By the way, you had the Venetian, the red, and then you had your Venetians, and then you had your. Yeah, it's only one page. So much luck for that. Finding that. I don't know what they call this. I guess it's like a black matte plastic finish on it. It is brass. It's gold color, but it's brass. The insert is original. F of XI. This case was made in G of XI, so they made this insert 1 month before they made the case. So, I'll show the other side there for you guys. Cam works perfect. Try to get a detailed shot here. It's about 9:14. I'm gonna go to bed at 10 o'clock. Charlie, not now, buddy. Not now. But there's the front wheel and all that good stuff. And you hear a little chewing and moving. So let me know if you guys can see this good. I see it good on my screen that shows what I'm showing.
103.3 KLOU.
So let me know if you guys can see that good. Okay, see it's kind of dirty on the inside there for being used. So, other than that, put a flint in this and fluid, it worked perfect. There's the back hinge. As you can see, it is the 5-barrel hinge. I'll ever adjust to it. There we go. I think we got it that way. There you go, 5-barrel hinge. And all these Zippos have these divots on here, because that is where the hinge is welded on. Tack welded on this side and tack welded on this side here. That's where see that little tack weld right where my center light is going across. It's tack welded there and tack welded there. So every Zippo you will see except for the outside hinge, which is, I have one here in just a minute to get it. Got so much crap on here I can't even open my Zippo case. Except for the outside hinge, which you can see them on the outside. The replicas, which is on the outside, have it. Even you can see it there, but any of them. So that's not a defect in your Zippo, guys. That is made. That is part of the lighter. That is how the hinge stays there. Where'd that go? Oh, that's this door that locks. So anyway, so that's what I got. I paid $5 for it. I didn't look underneath here. I actually didn't look underneath the foam padding either. Underneath there, but usually if it's this new, there's nothing underneath there. And if you could do this, no powder comes out, you're usually good. So that's that lighter. I'm going to show you this bottom stamp one more time, and I'll call it a quits. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Hold on, just give me just a minute. Here we go. There we go. G of XI. So, alright. Let me know how this video turned out, because I think it looks pretty good in the viewfinder. But your guys' perspective might be different. And I'm going to do that again and show you the front Julia. There's no really way you can see. There you go. There you go. You guys can kind of see that. So, thanks for watching. Like I said, I paid $5 for it, so I thought it was worth it. It's $19.95. I actually want to find one that was made in June of 1996. So, if you guys can guess that, what that date time period is, then it's good for you. So thanks for watching, guys. And oh, come on, buddy. Nope, nope, you don't want to be in the camera. There he is. There's Charlie. Alright. He started to be in the camera light. Thanks for watching, guys. Great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. And by the way, if you're watching Jeff's video, this is not the 3-night T10S. This is just a cheap fluorescent light that takes a single AAA battery. That's not even as good as a 3-night T10S. I watched the videos. As soon as he does more construction tests on that, I will probably wind up getting one, because that is because literally you can pretty much do anything to it and it will keep going. Jeff beat it with a sledgehammer, he put it in ice and froze it and beat it out, and it still worked. You threw it in the snow and let it go and everything. So even with water in it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Take care.